Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Quantum X Upright Water Filter Vacuum, touted as one of the best sweep vacuum stations on the market. If you're in the market for a vacuum cleaner that does it all, cleans wet and dry messes, filters with water, and even eliminates odors, then this might be the one for you. Stick around as we unpack its features and see how it performs. First up, let's talk about its unique water filtration system. Unlike traditional vacuums that rely on disposable filters, the Quantum X uses regular tap water to trap dirt, debris, and even bacteria. No more worrying about clogged filters or losing suction power over time. Just fill it up with water, and you're good to go. Now, versatility is key, and the Quantum X doesn't disappoint. Whether you have carpets, hardwood floors, or tiles, this vacuum can handle them all. It adjusts automatically to different floor types and even has a telescoping body that reaches under furniture and tight spaces with ease. It's like having a regular vacuum and a wet vacuum in one. What about cleaning power? Well, the Quantum X excels here too. It doesn't just pick up dry messes like dust and pet hair. It's also fantastic at handling wet spills. That's a game changer if you have pets or kids at home. Simply attach the hose extension, and it can tackle everything from spilled drinks to pet accidents without a hitch. Ever notice lingering odors after vacuuming? Not with the Quantum X. Thanks to its micro-silver technology, it neutralizes odors instantly. No more worries about allergens or unpleasant smells being recirculated into your home. It's all about keeping your indoor air fresh and clean. In conclusion, the Quantum X Upright Water Filter Vacuum isn't just another vacuum cleaner. It's a step forward in home cleaning technology. With its innovative water filtration system, versatile cleaning capabilities, and odor-neutralizing features, it's definitely worth considering if you want a cleaner, healthier home environment. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech insights. Until next time, happy cleaning!